one drop from here, and one drop from your
One drop of water.
There you are. Okay. Now you write down here. Okay, you can carry on. The next one
Is it acid or base? Is it acid or acid?
The universal indicator, then you see what's the color of universal indicator just with water. Okay, and then you add the acid and see what happens. If you just add the universal indicator, it should give you a greenish color. In the yellow color, it tells you it's iodine. Okay, now you have the option of two gases, oxygen or hydrogen, because you only have water, and water is H2O, so you can only get oxygen or hydrogen. So then you get a lot of oxygen or a lot of hydrogen. So how can you test? You take a burning toothpick or a burning splinter. If you put it in the test tube once it's filled with gas, but remember, don't turn it upside down, then you're going to lose all your gas. So you have to keep it like this. Put in the burning splinter. If it explodes, that's hydrogen. If it burns brighter, it's oxygen. Okay. And that's it. Listen quickly, another thing, if you have a burner with a wick this small, it's going to take very long. You have to have a wick at least that long.
There's a lot of gas there.
Give a band, give a band.
Osama bin Laden. You bombed America.
That is why you have a glass tube, to protect your stopper. So if the glass tube is too low, you have a flame here that will melt your stopper. So your stopper must be, the glass must be a little bit, can you see, away from the stopper.
What do you say?